Hi guys, this is Fatma Kasuri and today I'm going to be showing you a very exciting new product. So this is a new phone by Vivo and this is a V15 and it's supposed to have some awesome features which we are going to check out right now. So let's see. Ooh, did you see that? This is the Glamour Red by Vivo. And you know, the feature that really excited me was the camera. Let's check that. Whoa, did you see that? So this camera is like a pop-up selfie camera, which means you can take awesome selfies. It also has a triple rear camera. Can you see there are like 3 cameras here? How cool is that? So this phone is awesome and you're going to end up taking awesome selfies with this phone. So do check it out. I love it. I hope you guys love it too. Bye.